Looking for a better alternative than spending $200 or $100 on wireless headphones like these? Well, I got the solution for you today. We don't need these. Let's put them to the side. Today we got the GeeKee's G350s. These are a better alternative than spending all your money on those expensive headphones. And for wireless, these are really good. So let's check these out. Come in a compact box, as you can see here, nothing too fancy. It just says the logo in the front, and in the back it just has a serial number and a few information about it. Now let's open it and see what comes inside. As I opened it, a couple of pamphlets fell out with just like directions on how to set it up and stuff. We really don't need that, so we could just put that to the side. And then you get a card from the company that says thank you for choosing GeeKee products. Enter it on their website, throw that to the side. I found this pretty funny, and it shows you like stuff that you shouldn't be doing with the GeeKees, such as that you have to place it on the left side of your pocket instead of the right side, which I found kind of weird and I don't understand. And it also just shows you what you can do to set it up. Now as you open it, this is the accessories box. Let's see what's inside. Once you open it, you get the charging cord and you get a few earbuds to fit your size ear. The headphones themselves come in a small case, which has a matte finish in the bottom and the charging port in the back, and then the top has like a shiny glass see-through type of material, which is most likely plastic, that reveal the GeeKee G350s, which are on sale for $49.99 on Amazon.com. Let's plug these in and check them out. I plugged them into my Mophie XXL PowerStation, as you can see here. I'll leave a description and a link down below where you can watch a review of that product. I let the headphones charge for a little bit, about 20 minutes, until I started using them. As you can see here, as soon as you plug it, it starts to flash, and then you can take it out and it has this magnetic thing where once you put it in, it locks it into the case itself. The headphones are pretty sturdy. They feel like they're made out of a good material, and also you have to remember to take out the little plastic, as you see here, like it said on the pamphlet earlier. I don't know who would forget to do that, but okay. I found them to have a great form factor. They're pretty compact and small, lightweight, and they have a nice design to them. It's nothing too fancy and nothing too cheap, but just in the middle. Lugging these around is much better than lugging these types of headphones around, such as the dreaded corded things like these, which are just a nightmare to untangle. Let's throw these away and just check out the GeeKees. To charge them, you just put them back in their housing base, which has each separate one for the left and the right, and then it starts to flash to let you know that it's charging. Charging took about 30-40 minutes to give it a complete charge, which is not bad at all. To pair them to your phone, just turn on the Bluetooth, and it was very easy. You just gotta wait till your phone finds them, and you can see here, it found them right away, like GeeKee G350s. You click on it and it automatically connects. And if you put it into your ear, you can hear it saying that a connection was found. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of these G350s. The first thing that you can't underestimate is the price. For $50, and Amazon has them on sale for cheaper than that, you can't really beat it. These are great quality, and the headphones themselves, you can't do nothing better. The size, the form factor is very small. And 3. It lasts more than 3 hours on a single charge, which I really loved. I used to take it to the gym and have my whole session of working out, and it never died. Also, I love that it was Siri capable. I could just press on the button and it connects me to Siri right away. Most headphones don't do that, especially at this price range. Like I said before, I take these to the gym, which is really great. I don't have to worry about the sweat or getting worried about water getting on it because it is IPS 67 rated. Now that we got the pros out the way, let's get the cons in. At first I found the fitting to be horrible, and then it was just weird when you put it on. I couldn't really understand how to get it in perfectly. And then after a few trial and errors, I finally got it, and then they really stuck there. So this is not really a con, but at first it may be. Just check it out. First you're like, how do you put this on? And it's very weird, especially with that little notch that hangs out of it. There's no noise cancellation, and also there's always this buzzing or white noise when you're not listening to anything that's always going on in it, which I hated, and it kind of drove me crazy. I had connection issues, especially when I was listening to music, or then somebody would call me, it would drop the call, and then I would have to reconnect it, and it just got annoying after a while. But this happens sometimes, not all the times, but it can be an issue here and there. Overall, for the price range and the quality that you get, I really give this a 4.5 out of 5 ratings. And I really loved it, and I would recommend it to anybody. So just check it out. If you're interested in these, I left the description down below where you can purchase them. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and for future videos, give us a like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much, and remember, don't be regular, be iconic.